Hello everyone, welcome to Drive for a While. At this time, the Honor launch event brought us the Honor GT Pro, the Honor Tablet GT, and also this new laptop, the Honor Magicbook Pro 1062025 model. Now let's get hands-on and give everyone a direct feel of the brand new Pro 1062025 model. So the first thing that catches the eye is its appearance. This one I have here is in the classic cloud mud color, and you can see it's a dazzling white, which is indeed quite distinctive. However, there is a slight difference at the bottom of the A side, which you might not be able to see clearly. It has designed by Honor subtly written, hinting at its identity. Now at the back, the arrangement of ports includes 2 USB-A ports, 1 HDMI port, and the cooling vents on both sides, which aligns with the typical setup of a gaming laptop. On the side, there's a Thunderbolt port, a regular USB-C port, and a cooling vent in, and it also retains a headphone jack. Moving to the right side, there's nothing except for a cooling vent, and underneath, it still has speakers. Overall, it's relatively heavy, but compared to traditional gaming laptops, especially the Hunter gaming laptop V700, it's considered lighter. Now let's actually test its weight. You might not be able to see it clearly, but I can see that its weight is about 1.3 kilograms. What do you think about this weight? It's indeed equivalent to the weight of 2 ultra-clear ART 14s. We can see that this screen is still very clear and vibrant. Of course, Honor has brought its screen capabilities from its phones to our computers. Let's open the Honor PC managers to take a look. Alright, we'll talk about this later. First, let's take a look at our smart display. Here you can clearly see the Honor Oasis eye protection. Naturally, I've also turned on the natural light eye protection for you. This is Honor's signature feature. Of course, if you're used to the eye protection mode, you can use that as well. If you don't like overly vibrant colors, you can directly use the ebook mode, which is just black and white. Naturally, if we want to customize it for different places, we can adjust it ourselves using the color mode and color temperature settings below. There are options for warm colors, cool colors, and custom settings, as well as native options. Moreover, there are so many types like Magic P3, game enhancement, photography, and printing, video, graphic design, native digital cinema, and so on. So I think this screen is really top-notch, and since it's 16 inches, there's absolutely no pressure for daily use. Now, let's take another look. Other features like smart audio. As I mentioned earlier, it has external speakers on both sides, and there's also a spatial audio speaker below, so it sounds really effective. Why don't we experience it now? How do you feel about the audio effect? Listening to it live, the stereo effect is quite strong. Of course, you can choose for yourself as well. There are also headphone sound effects, microphone pickup effects, and noise reduction on the call in. These are all the skills that Honor excels at when making phones, and they have been fully applied to our computers. I think it's worth praising. Of course, this computer of mine, it's not the discrete graphics version, not the Hunter version. It's just a regular version, but it is equipped with the Omniverse acceleration feature. So the overall performance is definitely not lacking. Later, I will specifically play Black Myth Wukong to give everyone a feel for it. The AR features that should be there are all present. For example, Yo-Yo can also be permanently stationed here. My mouse has now reached my Magic 7 Pro, and when I place the phone here, we can see that keyboard and mouse sharing is completed very easily. The mouse is already on the phone, and when we come back, it directly goes to our phone. This is a feature that was implemented more than 2 years ago, so there isn't much novelty here. Indeed, Honor has been ahead in this aspect. We can also achieve multi-screen collaboration between the Honor phone and our laptop. This time, the sensing area is placed in the touchpad area, so with a simple touch, you can transfer data. Of course, you can also connect directly using the computer's player. We can see that the screen is fully transferred over, and there's nothing unusual about it. It's very simple and a very standard operation. While doing multi-screen collaboration, our keyboard and mouse are still shared, which is something to note. Of course, I think many of you might be curious whether Huawei phones can also achieve multi-screen collaboration with our Pro 1062025. Without further ado, let's try it out right away. First, disconnect the Honor. This is the latest model from Huawei.
Oh, it works.
Huawei's flagship phone is requesting to connect to this device. Do you trust this device? Trust. Let's experience it. Hey, Hey, the desktop still appeared. Let's see how responsive it is. It's still very responsive. Let's open Tutorial to see if it can run multiple apps. It can run multiple apps. Let's see. No problem. Opening Bilibili. Approximately Bilibili. Let's open something else. Open the Huawei store. However, it can only open up to 2 windows at the same time. But my Huawei device is running Harmony OS 4.3, not the latest native Harmony OS. The limitations might be greater with the native version, so please be aware of that. This concludes our test. Finally, let's take a look at the hardware configuration of this Pro 1062025 computer. Since this is the integrated graphics version, it still uses Intel's integrated graphics card, which is Intel. InterArch, 140T GPU. And then its chip is the Ultra 9. Since the Ultra 5 Pro 14 can play Black Myth, Wukong naturally the Ultra 9 Pro 16 will perform even better. In terms of power consumption and energy efficiency, the control is quite good. Plus, with the support of X from our partners, I feel confident. Additionally, it offers a maximum configuration of 32 GB of memory and 1 TB of storage. It also comes with a 3K display. Overall, for me, it should be sufficient. You see, I've already installed PS and PR, and later I'll add LR for daily photo editing and such tasks. So this Pro 16 can replace my Honor Lover gaming laptop V700. What do you all think? I will share more about my experiences with this laptop in the future. Lastly, let's demonstrate a special feature, which is the Honor Magicbook Pro 16. In 2025, it can open to 180 degrees. Flat opening, of course, the previous generation could do this as well. The advantage of this is that sometimes when we're working, we can place the laptop directly on our lap and type like this without having to bend our heads down, making it more comfortable.
What do you all think?